Hi guys and welcome back. Another day, another haul. If you are new here, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Tanisha and I'm a fashion influencer. You can follow me on Instagram. The link is down below. I put up fashion related content, be it fashion hacks, shopping tips and brand reviews, everything on my Instagram page. Today I'll be showing you a few things that I just got day before yesterday from Zara and H&M. So I think without wasting any further time of yours and mine, let's just quickly jump into the video. Let's start with the first thing. Let's start with Zara because I just got one thing from Zara. So let's get done with that and then we can move to H&M. These are the denims that I got from them. These are the 90s mom fit denims. It is priced at 2990 and the size that I've got for myself is 30. 30 means, the 40 means your 30 waist. So if you want a 30 waist, then you have to look for their 40 size. As you can see here, I really like the fitting of this. They are not very tight fitted. I cannot wear tight fitted denims anymore. I either wear wide leg or something like this. I personally feel that Zara is a bit overpriced, especially when it comes to their tops and their blouses and their t-shirts. Like their upper, that is quite overpriced. I personally feel so. If you also feel so, let me know in the comments, because I think a lot of people, I think from the last 2-3 years, Zara has literally increased their prices, because I remember I used to shop a lot from Zara way back, like 4-5 years ago, but since past 2-3 years I personally feel that it has really increased their prices. So whenever I like any top, it is somewhere around 4,000, 5,000, and I personally feel that it is not worth it. So I hardly buy any tops from Zara as such. I do buy the basic ones, but not something very stylish or anything, because they're very overpriced. But this denim is for 2990, 3,000, and I think that's a decent price. Like, we do get denims now around 1,500, 2,000, and but this was for 3,000, but the quality is actually very nice. The Zara denims have a really good quality. So now let's come to H&M. H&M I feel is comparatively cheaper than Zara. I know that it is comparatively cheaper. The denims that you get at Zara somewhere around 3,000, you might get them in H&M somewhere around 1,500, 2,000. So it is cheaper than Zara for sure. So I do have a lot of things here from H&M that I got. So let's just quickly dive into this. I got this neutral beige nudish cardigan. It's a very long cardigan, like it is literally till my feet. It is a very long cardigan. I'm gonna leave a picture or a video somewhere here so that you guys can know. Very warm. I was looking something very long for myself, either a trench coat or a cardigan like this. Fit is also okay. It is a little big for me, but I think whenever you're buying anything for winters, you can go a size up, because you'll be layering it. You'll be wearing a lot of things inside. So don't buy something that is very tight for you, because otherwise you won't be able to wear anything inside. And you always have to layer up in winters, because that's what I do most of the times. Size that I got here is extra small. I don't wear an extra small at all. I wear medium, but this one was very loose for me, even an extra small. Coming to the next thing, I really wanted those vests, like those 90s vests that are back in trend now. I got this one from H&M again. The size is small, because they are actually a bit of oversized vest, so I can go in for a small in this, and it fits perfect. I like the color. It is a very brown coffee-ish color. Really like this one. Wanted to go in for a solid one, and if I'll wear it more often, if I like styling it with different things, then I can go in for a printed one with something which has a little print also. The most the reason though, I think the one thing that struck me and like I knew that I'm buying this was the price of this. It is only for, like, can you guess it? How much is this for? Let's just take a guess. It is just for 799, 800 rupees. You're getting a vest, a woolen vest, which is very warm, in just 800 rupees from H&M. So I thought this was the best deal that I'm getting, and that's the reason why I bought it. Actually, I was looking for a loungewear or a nightwear sort of a thing in H&M, and I came across these pants, wide leg pants. These are actually track pants, but very soft, like very soft, very comfortable. This price is also 1299, not very expensive, 1300. The size that I got in this is M medium. These are plain white denims. It has this thing written here, which says this garment was made for you in a kind way. And they had different colors in this. They had pink, which I wanted in the first place, but they did not have my size. So, and they had black, they had white, which I got, and they had one more color, I guess green, I guess they had. Yeah, so just want something that I can, I can wear it as nightwear, loungewear, whatever. So I really like these pants, and along with this pant I even got the top for it. So this is the top that I have, like a quad set. This also has the same thing written on it, just here. This also has the same thing written on it here. Very comfortable, very soft. Size is also again M. The price of the top was 1299, and yeah, it is, it's very soft, very comfortable. I wanted something that I can wear while traveling and even at home, just chilling out. So really like this one. I wanted it in the pink color, but wo nahi mila mujhe, so I got it in white. So these were the things that I got in clothing from H&M. Now coming to some lingerie that I have. I've been wanting to try the H&M lingerie for the longest time. मैं जब भी online जाती थी, I used to check their website. I used to check all their design styles, everything. But then again, I was like, I don't know यार, because I don't know the size. I don't know how it's gonna fit me. मेरा उसमें size क्या होगा? And lingerie is something that they don't even, it is not exchangeable. You cannot even change the size of it. So I thought, let's just forget it. I'll go to the store and then I'll buy it from there. So I recently went to the store and I thought, चलो ठीक है, मुझे lingerie लेनी ही थी वैसे भी. So I thought, let's just buy it from H&M this time. So I bought quite a few of them. So let's just start with the first thing. One is something very comfortable and not like something that I cannot wear on a daily basis. Not with those wires and those that suffocated feeling. No, not something like that I wanted. So I bought this. This is just like a sports bra. You can see it has these removable pads, and the neckline of it, you see this deep neckline. So I think you can wear it with those tops that have a very low neck. And the price of this was very cheap. Yeah, this is for 699. Say 700 ka yaar. Coming to the next one, I have these two bras. Yeah, it was actually a pack of two. The price is actually 1499, 1500. So you're getting two bras under 1500. So I think that was a pretty good deal. Basic colors, gray and black. Really like the neckline. These are padded, but these are not underwired. Now coming to the next thing, I bought this. This is a 7-pack mid-rise panties, bikinis, or whatever you want to call them. Again, all basic colors. Basic are all cotton. It's a 92% organic cotton. I only wanted cotton ones. The price of this was 1299. So I literally got 7 panties in 1300. So how cheap are they? Now coming to the last thing that I have here with me from H&M, and that is these 5 pair of socks. These are for 600. 600 mein you're getting 5 pairs of socks. Like, can you imagine how cheap are they? And these are the ankle length. I do not want very high length socks. I don't like them very much. Basic colors, black and white. This was my first time actually when I bought lingerie and socks, all of these things from H&M, and I'm quite impressed, I have to say. The quality is very good. The price is comparatively cheaper than a lot of other lingerie brands out there. So I really wanted to give it a try, and I'm quite impressed with that. So that was everything that I wanted to show you in this haul. I hope you like this one as well, like you've been liking all my other hauls. Please do not leave without subscribing. I've been noticing that a lot of you are watching my videos but are not subscribing, so please subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot to me. And even follow me on Instagram, because I'm posting reels and videos every day there, so I'm sure you do not want to miss out on that. and I'll see you guys, I guess, very soon in my next one. Tell me down below what other brand reviews or hauls you want to see me. If you want to see any particular haul from, like, if you want to see a haul from any particular brand, any particular website, or if you want me to review any particular brand, let me know in the comments. I would love to do that for all of you. And thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves and goodbye.